Mohsen Fakhrizadeh Mahabadi was a brigadier general in the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, an academic physicist, and a senior official in the nuclear program of Iran. Born in in 1958, Fakhrizadeh joined the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps after the Iranian Revolution of 1979. He attended Shahid Beheshti University and later received a PhD from the University of Isfahan. Beginning in 1991, he was a physics professor at Imam Hossein University. Fakhrizadeh led the Organization of Defensive Innovation and Research and the Green Salt Project. Due to Fakhrizadeh's affiliation with the Iranian nuclear program, both the United Nations Security Council and the United States ordered his assets frozen in the mid-2000s. In the early 2010s, he established and led the Organization of Defensive Innovation and Research, which conducted research on nuclear weapons. In 2018, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that Fakhrizadeh was the head of the Ahmad project. Following his death, the Iranian government said that in 2020, he helped develop COVID-19 testing kits for use during the pandemic. Likely due to his connections to Iran's alleged nuclear weapons program, Fakhrizadeh was assassinated in a road ambush in Absard on 27 November 2020. Although initially reported to be conducted by gunmen and a bomb, Iran says that the attack utilized an autonomous satellite-operated gun. Iran alleged Israeli involvement. The killing raised tensions in the region. In response to his death, the Iranian legislature passed a bill to block inspections of its nuclear program. Fakhrizadeh was born in in 1958. He became a member of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps after the Iranian Revolution in 1979. Fakhrizadeh received his BSc in nuclear physics from Shahid Beheshti University in 1987. He studied for a master's degree at the Isfahan University of Technology and received a PhD in nuclear radiation and cosmic rays. According to Alireza Jafarzadeh, Fakhrizadeh was a member of the Imam Hossein University faculty beginning in 1991. At IHU, located in Tehran, he taught physics. According to a 2007 Kia assessment conducted under President of the United States George W. Bush, Fakhrizadeh's academic position was a cover story. In the early 2000s, Fakhrizadeh led an initiative called the Biological Study Center, described as a successor to the Physics Research Center. The activities of this research group took place at Lavizenshian. In 2020, following his death, Fakhrizadeh was said to have been a key figure in the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic, which hit Iran particularly hard. According to Majid Takht Ravanchi, Iran's ambassador to the United Nations, Fakhrizadeh led the team that developed the first Iranian COVID-19 tests. Iran's defense minister Amir Hatami reported that Fakhrizadeh had taken great strides in the field of developing COVID-19 vaccine. He added that the center led by Fakhrizadeh went through the first phase of clinical human trials in the field of developing corona vaccine and did great things for our dear people. On 29 November 2020, the head of the coronavirus battle headquarters of Tehran paid tribute to Fakhrizadeh as a prominent scientist and distinguished scholar in research, technology and the health sector. As of 2006-07, Fakhrizadeh was subject to a United Nations Security Council asset freeze and travel notification requirements because the Council said the International Atomic Energy Agency had asked to interview Fakhrizadeh and Iran refused to make him available. Iran has provided some information regarding Fakhrizadeh's work which the IAEA says is not inconsistent with its findings. But the IAEA continues to seek corroboration of its findings. According to the UN designation, Fakhrizadeh was a senior Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces logistics scientist and former head of the Physics Research Center. The IAEA asked to interview him about the activities of the PHRC over the period he was head. But Iran denied the request. Fakhrizadeh was identified as a key figure in a 2007 report by the UN on Iran's nuclear program. A 2007 UN Security Council resolution identified Fakhrizadeh as a senior scientist in the Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces Logistics and the former head of the Physics Research Center at Levizan. In 2008, the United States ordered his assets frozen, along with other Iranian officials, after the Ahmad project was discontinued. Fakhrizadeh established and led the Organization of Defensive Innovation and Research, a government-funded entity alleged by the U.S. State Department to be working on research and development that could be useful to a nuclear weapons program. Transliterated Sazman e Pazhoishvi e Noaveri Hai Defy. SPND was founded in February 2011 and headquartered within Iran's Ministry of Defense and Armed Forces Logistics. Fakhrizadeh was SPND's director between 2008 and 2011. SPND was affiliated with Malik Ashtar University of Technology.